Trash bags and Clorox, I'll keep the house clean. Knives in the kitchen, I'll feed you like a king. Lighters and matches, candles by the mattress. Only thing I ain't got yet's the ring. I've got a long white dress and little white church. Already picked out my vows and a verse. For better or worse, I've got 'em rehearsed. You'll hear 'em at the altar or laying in a hearse. Baby, you're in deep. If it's up to me, we'll be written in stone until our bones are 6 feet. But if you lie, you cheat, you'll see how crazy about you I can get. Swear on my life, boy, I love you to death. I keep every secret and promise I make. So either way, babe, I'll take it to the grave. I can't wait to bury you, I mean marry you. Am I scaring you? All that I'm trying to say is, baby, you're in deep. If it's up to me, we'll be written in stone until our bones are 6 feet. But if you lie, you cheat, you'll see how crazy about you I can get. Swear on my life, boy, I love you to death. Yeah, I love you to death. I love you to death. You'll either be forever next to me or remembered in my heart in loving memory. Baby, you're in deep. If it's up to me, we'll be written in stone until our bones are 6 feet. But if you lie, you cheat, you'll see how crazy about you I can get. Swear on my life, boy, I love you to
This dance is called Love You to Death, choreographed by Karl-Harry Winson. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There are 1 tag, 1 bridge, and 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, point forward, point to the side, right foot, sailor step, left foot, cross rock, recover, quarter turn left, stepping forward, facing 9, quarter turn left, right foot side, facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, left foot, sailor step, right foot, cross side, behind side, heel to the right diagonal, ball cross side. Section 3, modified figure 8, left foot behind, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 9, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, facing 3, quarter turn right, left foot side, facing 6, right foot behind, quarter turn left, left foot forward, facing 3, quarter turn left, right foot side, facing 12 o'clock. Section 4, left foot, rock back, recover, left diagonal, keep ball cross twice, keep ball cross, keep ball cross, left foot big step, side drag your right. Section 5, right foot, point, quarter turn right together, left foot, side rock recover cross, right foot, point, quarter turn right together, left foot, side rock recover cross. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 6, right diagonal, rock forward, recover, right foot, behind side, cross, walk, walk, shuffle, make a full turn to your left, stepping, left, right, shuffle, left, right, left, in circle. Section 7, right and left, Dorothy, right diagonal, right foot, step, lock, step, left diagonal, left foot, step, lock, step, heel switches, heel and heel and. Right foot forward, scuff, left foot forward. Last section, left foot, cross, back, left foot, shuffle, back, right foot, rock back, recover, full turn to your left, half turn left, right foot back, half turn left, left foot forward. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the stance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 2, you will dance 48 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 48 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. On wall 3, you will dance 32 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with counts starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 32 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 4 facing 6, there's an 8 count tag. Now let me show you the tag. Starting facing 6 o'clock. Rock forward, recover, shuffle half, step in, right, left, foot, rock forward, recover, shuffle half turn left, step in, left, right, left. With the counts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let me go over bridge. Bridge occurs during wall 5. The music will slow down, but you don't slow down. Continue dance up to count 24, then add 8 count bridge. Then continue the dance from count 25. Now let me show you wall 5 with count starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 counts. Now add the 8 count bridge. Stomp left foot to the side, hold 3 counts. Stomp right foot to the side, hold 3 counts. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then continue the dance from count 25. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.